Hello traders, Joseph here again. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. Okay, so let's just say you've just blown up your trading account again and you feel absolutely gutted. You feel like you've been here too many times before and you've started to doubt whether you will ever be a profitable trader. Then you go back and do some more research. Maybe you spend lots of your money for another course again that ends up teaching you what you already know about trading, maybe just in a different way. So you get confidence from that, you go back to trading, but then you end up blowing your account again. And the circle continues. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years passes by and you're still stuck at the same place. Now that's the journey that all traders go through, unfortunately, and I've been there myself. Now how long that journey lasts depends on you. So how bad do you want to be successful at trading? The only way to do that is you need to be able to change. You need to be able to be open-minded and try something new, because it's obviously clear that what you've been doing up until now hasn't really been working. Now 10 years ago when I first started learning how to trade, the statistics for the percentage of traders that are successful was less than 5%. Now it's over 20%. Now this should give you hope, but it should also make you curious as to what they did in order to be profitable. I know what I did, and one thing I can say with absolute certainty is I found a way to change, I found a way to adapt, I found a way to accept new ideas whenever what I was working on wasn't working. Now the question is, are you going to have a positive story to tell about your trading journey in a few years' time? Or are you still going to look back and still be at the same place that you are today? So I want you to take a look at this. So I'm going to be running trading classes on Zoom starting on Monday, and I will be teaching a strategy that you haven't seen before. A strategy that has generated consistent results for 5 straight years and counting. So take a look at this schedule, and I want you to ignore the first 4 topics and also the advanced pattern. And the reason for that is because those are probably the only thing that you can recognize on this schedule, along with any other strategy that you might already know. And I can guarantee you that if you go on Google right now and type in any of that strategy, any of the strategy that you already know, that you're familiar with, for example resistance and support, or head and shoulders, or Elliott wave, or even advanced pattern, you will get lots of results from different sites that teach that strategy, maybe just in different ways. However, if you search the rest of the topic on this schedule, for example the 1, 2, 3 contraction, the only result you're probably going to get is my TradingView page. So all I'm saying is that you just need to try something new, because you're most likely stuck at the point where your results just haven't been good enough. And if I scroll down to the last month, and by the way, this course will run for 3 months. So what you can see on the 3rd month is there will be a period of 6 days where I will be trading live and putting everything that I've taught you about this new strategy into practice. So every single rule that I've gone over during the whole course, I will show you how to put that into practice and generate consistent profitable returns. And this will be straight after the money management lecture. So let me explain how the classes will work and how you can join. The classes will run every Monday and Friday, and there will be a class in the morning and in the evening on those days. And the reason for that is because I have lots of subscribers who live in different time zones. So me doing these lessons like that would enable them to at least attend one of the lessons on the day. And even if in any case anyone is not able to attend the class, they can still come in and then record the lectures and then watch it at their own free time. So now this course will take about 7 to 8 hours of my time to teach. And in terms of how much it will cost, well, I've made it possible for everyone to afford it. So unlike the other trading courses out there that charge you lots of, thousands of pounds in order to teach you something you already know, my classes will only cost £500. And for the 7 to 8 hours of my time that I'm dedicating to teach, that means it works out at about £6.40 an hour. And that's even less than the minimum wage. So I can't imagine anyone will complain about my price. However, it's the only first 10 people that join the class that will get that price, because it will definitely go up. So make sure you go and grab your place now. So you will also learn how to trade all 6 advanced patterns, which you've seen already on the schedule. So that's going to be a bonus, especially for those people that are still interested in learning how to trade the advanced patterns. So I will be doing lessons on the advanced patterns as well during the whole of the course. So how do you join the class? Well, if you head over to my website right now, and you scroll to the bottom of the page, I'm gonna try and zoom in a little bit here. Just give me a second. Yep, I'll just zoom in a little bit, so you can see that the Zoom trading classes and all the details of the class. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention that you can also pay in installments. So the way I'm doing it this way, that I'm trying to make it possible for everyone to afford this class. So if you know anyone that might find this video useful, then please share it, because in a few years I want to hear that the statistics or the percentage of traders that are successful is more than 30%, and people that decided to take my classes will be a huge part of those successful traders. So thank you guys for watching, and for those of you that will sign up, I will see you guys in the class on Monday morning. Thank you.